Good Sunday morning. I'm putting some garlic and herb and black pepper and sea salt. I've got my 6 ounces of ground beef. I'm feeling kind of herby today, and some salt. You know, it's funny, most people who have done carnivore, you'll see them with Redmond real salt on everything. I like it. It's fine. I don't know if it's that much different than the other salt, but I've got it. I got it in bulk. I bought one of these things. So I definitely would be using it for a long time. But anyway, like I said, I don't know if it's any better or not. I just got it because, you know, when you start stuff and you follow people, you kind of buy what they buy. And I did that in bulk. So hang on. Let's see what we think here. Yep, that's good. That's my breakfast today. 6 ounces of ground beef, 93%. And my protein coffee. My lunch today is going to be 7 ounces of pork loin. And I'm going to do a serving of the dipping sauce sweet chili, which is 30 grams. Kind of a spicy, sweet flavor. And then I'm going to do 2 servings of bacon pieces. I have no idea. It's just what I'm doing. I ran out of vegetables and I didn't want to open up another package. So 2 servings of bacon pieces is going to be 14 grams. The hard thing about grams is sometimes you drop one piece and it jumps up to 15 or 20. Okay, nope, so that's good. And then I'm going to do half a serving of this quesadilla Mexican style melting cheese. A half a serving, which is 14 grams. There we go. And add some salt. I'm going to add a little bit of this tahini to it. I never know why I add the flavors I add, just because it sounds interesting. And a little bit of Greek seasoning. Alright, and for the record, I do know that this has sugar in it. Hang on, salt, pepper, cornstarch. Thought it did. Oregano-based seasoning. Had corn, soy protein. Yeah, it has a little bit of sugar in it. I'm not freaked out about it. But in case you decide to go buy this, it does have sugar in it. Hasn't been enough to affect me negatively. As you see, I've been still losing weight. Okay, I'm gonna microwave it and get right back. And there it is, all mixed together. Pork loin and all the things I just showed you, all mixed in together. And it's pretty hot, so I'm not going to take a bite. But you can't go wrong with bacon pieces and cheese and a good seasoning or sauce of some sort. You just can't go wrong with it. So, there we go. Anyway, so yep, that is my lunch today. So, see you at supper. Supper tonight is 7 ounces of steak and 200 grams of zucchini. And I'm just chopping this up a little bit so it'll be easier to eat with a spoon. Because you know your girl's got a shovel. So, I think I've mentioned this in the past and I forget all the time. I think I need to maybe only use the GU stuff once a day. I'm wondering if that is the source of my stomach issues. I don't know. So maybe tomorrow I won't use it at all. Maybe a couple days I won't use it and see. But I kind of remember thinking that in the past, but I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, and here is some sesame seeds, and that is my supper tonight. 7 ounces of steak with 200 grams of zucchini. I don't know how many grams 200 grams is, but whatever. There it is. That's my supper tonight. Have a good night. Happy Sunday. And here's my macros for the day. Thanks for watching.